Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert an image into the footer in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert an image into the footer. Go to the Insert menu. Then click Footer drop-down menu and choose Footer option. Then go to the Insert menu, then click Picture drop-down menu. Then go to the File from our picture. Then insert a picture in this footer. Now I select this picture and insert it. Then resize the picture some small. Then go to the footer design menu and click close footer and header. Then zoom out this document and we can see here we insert an image in footer very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.